All right, they surprise us with another event. Nations of Hockey. I think all these cards are very, very good. Um, yeah, we're gonna take a look at them. So he could get to 2 acceleration, could get booming shot or whatever, and 91 speed. So there you guys go. You can take a look at that. Right-handed defenseman gets gold truculence, shut down as well. So solid right-handed defenseman. And for Marian Hossa, you could get to 2 acceleration, 2 speed, and another speed. So you could get him to 95 excel, 95 speed if you activate everything. He gets silver wheels, born leader if you want him in the first line, and elite edges. Really good card. Dylan Larkin potentially can be one of the best centers in the game. He gets silver quick draw, gets gold wheels, tape to tape, born leader, and elite edges. Every ability for this card is great for first line center. And then you could put Bombarded or Gladiator, probably be Gladiator. Then you could put Thief and Heart and Soul on him, which would put his face-offs to 96. So this can be a crazy sentiment. So there's that. Then you got the Robin Leonard, 95 overall, has gold post to post, silver light work, X-ray, sponge, and extra padding. Here are his abilities as well. So pretty solid goaltender right there. Then you have S.L. Lindell, left-handed defenseman, gets shut down, truculence, quick pick, and bouncer. Can get to +4 acceleration, which will get him to 95, and then you could get 93 speed. So very good defenseman, left-handed defenseman. Probably the best one, or one of the best ones. And that is about it. For sets, it's still the same thing as per usual. With the 89, you get 7+ collectibles. For the challenges, I'll show you guys that. Here are all the challenges you could get. All of that good stuff. Well, there's that. Hopefully we pull some purples, because apparently a lot of people pull a lot of purples. We're going to open up our packs. A lot of them aren't that great, but we do have a special one here for we don't have a great one, so it don't matter. Let's open it out. If we could pull some of the all-star cards, anything like that, or even the new MSPs, it'd be cool. That is wild. Never seen a card like that. 75 George. Brendan goalie. 2 gold player pack. Alright, let's open the premium one we have here. 280 plus overall. Oh yeah, that's right. We got the Diamond Choice pack as well. So we get Kevin Hayes and Adam Fox. Not bad for the premium. Open these premium packs as well. The celebration. We get an 87 Shane Gothenspur. Definitely not going to be on my team, but he gets Spark and Magician. Definitely going to sets, so we'll take that in a premium pack, boys. Premium pack. Alright, open this one. Let's see what we get. Nothing too special there. 82 overall. save those diamond choice packs for later. Nothing good there. So one purple we got. One purple. That's trash. We have the plus, the 182 plus guarantee. Let's open it. Let's see if we get some juice out of this. I've seen a lot of people get hella juice from this. We're gonna slowly open this one. We didn't get anything. Oh, we got two 82s. Dang. A lot of people got so many good shit. I guess not for us. Mini pack. Open that. Special there. Open up another premium pack. Absolutely nothing. Damn. Is that our luck already? We got another 81, well, 182 plus overall. There's our 82, so that's unfortunate. Damn, bro. I've seen so many people open those packs and they're just getting hella juice for the 80s. The purples, hella juice. Actually unreal. We got absolutely nothing. Get a 79 overall and one of those packs, not bad. Base pack again. Hopefully open this. Absolutely nothing. Save those, we'll open the mini pack. Yeah, absolutely. We get a gold player, I guess. Base pack. Yeah, 80 overall, I guess that's not bad. Premium pack. Can we get another purple in a premium pack? That'd be wild. Absolutely nothing. One gold player pack. 77. Oh, that Turcotte's dad? One from Los Angeles right now, or wherever it is. Another coach, Alex Galchenyuk. Remember when he was a Leaf for playoff series, pretty much. Nothing too special there. 3 gold players pack. Yeah, that's rough. As you guys can see, there's the hat icon. Yes, we have it there. 81 overall, some coins, nothing special. Alright. This is where we need the good stuff. Give us some purples. We don't get a purple. Alright, 81, 82, 81. Jumbo premium pack. Absolutely. Oh, we get a power up collectible. Let's go, man. Power up collectible. I didn't know that that shit don't light up. So that's a W in my books. We got a power up collectible. I was gonna say that was a shit pack, but we get a power up collectible. We get an 84 overall. Not bad, I guess. 82, 81. Not a bad pack there. We'll take it. The jumbo premium. We'll open that. See what we get in here. 82 overall right away, and nothing else really. Damn. That's horrible. Yeah, absolutely nothing in that one really. We'll open the players pack. 580 plus overall. This one will go slow. What the fuck? So, wait. Is it only 180 plus overall? What the fuck? I guess guess so. I can't read. That was a horrible pack. Let's do the NHL players pack. So at least 4. All right, I'm reading that one correctly. At least 4. 80 plus overall. We got 1 there. 2, 3, 4. What the fuck? And the rest are gonna be less than 80. Oh, okay, we got an 81, 82, 83. Okay, I guess that's okay. All right, let's go with the diamond player choice pack. We only got 1 purple. Give us something good in here. Alright, we're going obviously with these 2. Move on. Bang! Let's go! Oh my god! Oh my god! 95 overall, Daniel Briere. Alright, let's go, man. We'll take those. Even though I'm not going to use them, I'm definitely selling them, but holy shit. Oh my god. We're definitely going to go here. Alright, we'll go slow with this one. That's a dub in my book. We get a 95 overall player. Holy shit. Absolutely insane. Daniel Briere, welcome to the team, brother. Probably use him instead of whoever was in Stamkos right now. Alright, let's see. Get 82, get another 82, 80. We'll take the 82s. Give us another purple. Give us another purple. We deserve at least 1 purple in these. Alright, we got an 84. I don't think we're getting a purple. We got an 84. Take C. Ooh. Got another 84. Yeah, I feel like we're not getting a purple on this one. Usually when you get those 84s, you don't get a purple. That sucks. At least we got 2 84s. Yeah, 184, 2 84s. We'll take it. We'll take what we can. Obviously, the power up icon choice pack. We want Mario Lemieux. I know someone roasted me before in this kind of shit about not knowing who won what. I don't know the history of shit, but we want Mario Lemieux, bro. This not him for sure. Yeah. John Beliveau. That's pretty good. John Beliveau gets to a 92 overall. Has born leader, 85 face-offs. Gets thief. He's a solid center. Let's see what we get here.
Takes it along the right side of the goaltender from behind the net, centered out in front. Shot from the point, scores! There it is, number 77.
I feel like we're not getting Mario.
Big time goal.
The 86 and the 87 already. I don't think we're getting Mario Lemieux, man. Fuck.
And they'll clear the puck out. They've got some numbers. It's a 3-on-2 through center from the right side, centered out in front, scores! Jerome McGinley! And this place is getting iggy with it as Jerome McGinley hits 500 for his career!
Does he get a super boost? Why is this one lighting up? Let's see. It's like an 84 overall.
There's another chance, another big save! Scramble in front of the net! Jams it home, he scores! Ryan Trottier makes history with number
I don't think we're getting Mario, of course.
500.
We're not getting Mario, man. I have my eyes closed, man.
Up at the blue line, that's poked and poked away. Here he is on the backhand, he scores! Wow! Yari Curry beats the goaltender with one hand on the backhand. That's impressive.
He was actually good in the other game. damn, 89 speed only though. Close quarters. Alright, I think it's a no-brainer, Jean Beliveau, just because he's an 87 overall. We'll just take him. It is what it is. We did not get Mario, but we do have Gretzky, so that is what it is. Wow. Let's see what's on the market here. How much Daniel Briere is actually going for on the market. Probably, it's like one of those. He's only 5'9", so like I don't know if he's gonna be even good. Players, All-Star. God damn it, Daniel Briere. So he's not even going for like 400K. But that'll help me with coins a lot. I'm like out of coins, so it's a no-brainer for me. Show you guys my team. Obviously, I got a power-up collectible, so I'll probably upgrade someone on my team. So here's the first line. We got Connor McDavid, Trevor Linden, Matthew Barzal. I'm probably gonna get Olli Jokinen, and I don't know who the other card, because it seems like they're gonna have another MSP week, so we'll find out what I'll add onto this team. But yeah, we got what's his name? Mikko Rantanen, Wayne Gretzky, then Jack Eichel. Then we got David Pastrnak. Then I'll probably have Olli Jokinen here. Then we got Jason Peterka. Then here we have Patrick Kane, Anze Kopitar, and Steven Stamkos. For defense, we got Victor Hedman, Dougie Hamilton. Definitely want to upgrade him. Brett Burns, Bowen Byram, and then we got Alexander Alexiev and Seth Jones. And then for head coach, we got Andy McGee. Goalies, we got Andre Vasilevsky and Thomas Milic. So there's that. For my abilities, if you guys really care. Connor McDavid, he has elite edges as wheels. This guy, we have all of them. This guy, just wheels, as you can see there. Barzal is just wheels as well. Brent Burns is just shutdown. Vasilevsky, post-to-post. Hedman, quick pick and shutdown. Quick pick and shutdown for Jones. Born leader only for Linden. Shutdown only for Bowen Byram. And I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. So we got a banger of a poll. We could put him on the fourth line with Patrick Kane. That'd be hilarious. But we're probably going to sell it to get some coin so I could get the Olli Jokinen and probably juice him up and, you know, buff this center line. But that's about it. Hope you guys enjoy, and peace.